Hi guys, this is Shubham. You're watching All About Technology. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your home screen impressive with the help of Click app. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, as you can see in the screen, this is the theme provider. There are limited themes available, so you can download other apps to get more themes. For the link for that is in the description, so you can download it from there. The apps are paid, so you can get it free in the description. After you selecting any of the theme, this would take you to the main app, which is the Click app that you have to use to get your home screen impressive. Here you have to make some changes if you want, or direct you can save it in your home screen. This is as same as live wallpaper. So all you have to do, you have to just save it, and it will ask you to save as a wallpaper. You can make any changes as per you want. You can also change the font, position of this, and anything you want. After that, here you can see how you set wallpapers. So after you successfully set it, the wallpaper will be available on your home screen only. Here you can see. It will come with small animations, as you can see. So guys, that's it, the method. So now I'm going to show you the wallpapers which I have used.
Dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion.
So guys, this is the theme provider. There are so many of them available in the Play Store, or you can download the premium version of it in AC Market app. So guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. And also I have my another channel which is Shubham Vlogs, so you can subscribe to that. So guys, thank you so much.